Do you want to be able to fix TikTok login problem with Facebook? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you step by step quickly how I was able to fix it. So the first step is going to be for us to actually close our TikTok app. So just close your app, and instead we're going to go into our settings app. So open up your settings app, because now we should be taken to a page similar to this, as you can see. Now in here, just scroll down until you can see where it says general, and that is exactly where we need to click. So click on general, and here, as you can see, scroll down a little bit and then click on storage. And by the way, on this page right here, for some of you, this might take a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, just so you know. So now what we're going to do in here, we're just going to scroll down until we can find TikTok in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down. And actually what I can do, I think I might have missed it. I'm sorry, actually. Maybe, oh, here it is, sorry. Yeah, here it is. So I'm just going to click on upload app in here. And then once again, I'm going to click on upload app. So this is what I did myself, by the way. And this will not log you out of your account, or it shouldn't at least, because it didn't do that for me. So I'm just going to click on the blue button here again, as you can see. And now it says loading on my TikTok app. So this means that you're now going to get the absolute latest version of your TikTok app. So it seems that you will actually need to update your TikTok app once again, and then try once again to log back in with your Facebook on your TikTok, and hopefully now it will work. If it still is not working, and if you're getting the password error or like an email or username error, well, of course this will not fix this issue. Then you will need to reset either your email or username or your password. So after you're done resetting that, you can try again. But if you are, for example, getting like a blank page, I got like a blank page with a random error, I remember, when I tried to log in with Facebook. But after I did this and I waited for it to be done, I went back and I didn't get the error again. So hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well. And if it's not fixed for you right away, you can do like this. You can wait another 24 hours and then try again. I've seen that sometimes this does not instantly fix your problem, and you will need to wait like 1 day basically. So if that is the case for you, if you are not seeing instant fix, well then don't worry, just wait another 24 hours, try again, and hopefully that will be fixed for you.